Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the next chapter of English grammar, that is sentences. So sentences are the group of words that make complete sense. So what are sentences? Sentences are the group of words that makes a complete sentence. Now there are four types of sentences. So the first one is declarative sentence. So a declarative sentence makes statement, okay, and it ends with a full stop. What is a declarative sentence? So declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a complete sense and it always ends with a full stop. For example, it was a warm sunny day. So this sentence is making a complete sense. Therefore, this is a declarative sentence and it is ending with a full stop. Now, the second type is the interrogative sentences. So, sentences that ask a question is called as interrogative sentence. It ends with question mark. That means interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask the questions and they always ends with a question mark. For example, will you come along me? So it is ending with the question mark and it is asking the question. The sentence is imperative sentence. So imperative sentence expresses a command, a request or advice and it's always ends with a full stop. Like for example, go with him now. So this sentence is showing us that someone is giving command. So this is the example of imperative sentence. Now, fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So sentences that expresses excitement or strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. That means the sentences which show us the happiness and excitement or show us the strong feeling are termed as exclamatory sentences. And exclamatory sentence always ends with the exclamation mark. For example, that was a narrow escape. So the sentence is ending with an exclamation mark and is showing us the feeling. So I hope the concept of sentences and its four types is clear.